What's going on, YouTube? How's everybody doing? Today is February 2nd, I believe. It's been a while since I posted a video. Just haven't had a time. Been very busy. Just like everybody else, right? Everybody's busy these days. I'm gonna add a few things to my lawn care trailer. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned. And if you don't mind, guys, if you like this content, please subscribe, share, comment, like, all of that good stuff. It will be greatly appreciated. Enjoy the video. So I got me a chainsaw rack, and also I got me 5-gallon gas can rack. I got this from equipmentdefender.com. Same thing with this one. So we're gonna add a few things to my lawn care trailer. My chainsaw, I'm probably gonna put it right here on the right side. This is for my spare tire, but it's just taking up space. I don't need a spare tire. So I took the spare tire off, and I'm gonna mount my chainsaw rack right there. And my gas can rack, I already have one on this side, but if you can see, it's just a regular rack. So I ordered one with the opening right here, so it's gonna have like a tube come out of it, and you don't have to take the can off. You can just take the tube, fill up your weed eaters, blowers. It's supposed to be easier. And this one here, I'm probably gonna switch it to the other side. I already have one on this side, so I'm probably gonna put one over here. As you can see, I got plenty of space still, so I'm probably just gonna have two of these gas can racks on this side. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna be installing some stuff onto my lawn care trailer. It's not gonna be a whole lot of changes this year, but there's gonna be a few of them. And I'm also thinking about buying a walk behind mower. I'm gonna show you guys that too. So it comes with a lock as well. It's gonna have a lock like this, and all of that stuff, plus bolts, screws, bolts, and of course manual. You gotta read the book, guys. It's pretty simple. Probably the hardest part is to drill the holes into the trailer. Everything else is easy. It's a beautiful day today, guys. I can't believe it. It's almost 70 degrees out here. Beginning of February, yeah? Not too bad. And for those of you guys that don't know, I live in South Carolina, upstate of South Carolina. obviously summertime is different out here, but wintertime and fall, it's beautiful. I'm gonna try to make this video short, guys. Hopefully I can do it within 30 minutes. Probably gonna have to do some editing, but I'm hoping I can post videos more often for you guys. And then of course, gotta use some spray paint to prevent the rust. A little bit of hammer, and we got it on. That's it, guys. We got it done. Everything working good. It just, I'm gonna put a chainsaw, and you can adjust this, you know, depends what kind of chainsaw you got. You know, gotta put a chainsaw, adjust it, and we're good to go. We got a chainsaw rack installed. It's holding on pretty good. All right, so we got it installed. Now I gotta install the brackets on top, and not the brackets, but the locking mechanism. And we'll do that, and we'll be good to go. And that's it. We got it installed. Now I gotta get me a spill can. As you can see, it's all good. So I think that's it for today. We're gonna finish it off some other day. Installing the other one that I took it off from here, I'm gonna install it there, but I'll do this some other day probably. I think for today it's good enough. Gotta put the chainsaw in there, and that's it. We're gonna be looking good. Cutting wood today. Got me a new chainsaw. $400. Big boy. It's not the biggest, but it's up there. $1,100. It's cutting these big ones like it's nothing, like it's butter, you know. Yep, that's how we're looking on the trailer. Chainsaw mount, holding on pretty good. Yeah, buddy, I like it. Let me know, guys, what you think. I'd like to buy me one of these someday. Walker. Right, I think it's a walker here. These things are pricey, but it would be nice to have one of these in our fleet of lawnmowers. I can't imagine they comfortable to ride. I never had one of these, so I don't know, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be a comfortable ride. Yeah, I don't know much about these. I know they're pricey though. Some of them are diesel, some of them gas. I don't know if this one is diesel or gas, but it's pretty nice. Looks like it's brand new. So I got me another mower. It's a walk behind mower, I guess. 30-inch commercial grade. It's got a collar engine. It got a 3-year warranty right there. The mower itself has got 2-year warranty. It's brand new. The reason why I bought this, because we got a couple of clients that they have like pretty steep slopes, you know. And so what I've been doing is I've been using my regular push mower that I have, but you know, in the summertime when it's 90 degrees, pushing a push mower up the hills, up those slopes, it ain't no picnic. So I've been thinking about getting me a walk behind, and they pricey, let me tell you. Like these kinds, they even if you find a used one, you're probably gonna pay at least $1,000 for them. You know, probably not gonna find anything for less than $1,000. So I just went and buy a new one. This one costs $2,100. You know, like I said, it's got a collar engine. I was hoping to get one with Kawasaki, but they said that these walk behinds, these small mowers, they don't put Kawasaki. See, the only thing you get is a collar engine, so I'll have to get away with that. It's got a bag, you know, so you can use it basically like leaf cleanups too as well, I think. I'm pretty sure. So it's kind of, obviously the bag comes off. It's pretty easy to take it off, and then I have another attachment. You can take this off and It's got another attachment to open it up. I mean, like I said, you can use it for like a regular mower, or you can use it for like a bagger to bag the leaves and stuff. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. But the nicest thing is a walk behind. You don't have to push it, right? And that's the main reason why I bought it. It's got a big gas tank. So yeah. So yeah, I got myself another mower.